What's up guys, I'm back. My name is Tree. Next to me I have the 2019 Mazda CX-5 Diesel version. We're gonna give a quick comparison between this one and its gas motor engine CX-5. Other than that, this is your 2019 Mazda CX-5 video. Once we pop the hood, you're gonna find a 2.2 liter turbo engine here, folks. Diesel turbo engine. It's gonna output 168 horsepower with 290 pound-feet of torque. Mileage-wise for your diesel motor, you get 30 for the highway, 27 for the city. Combined is 28. Great mileage, also turbo. This is an awesome diesel motor. Another huge difference you're gonna find in the diesel motor versus the gasoline motor is that Mazda made it really simple to top off your diesel motor fluid here. Now with the diesel option, you can only select this motor with a signature trim in the Mazda lineup. Once we're inside, enjoy your beautiful ride in Nappa leather seats. Your steering wheel is heated, wrapped around leather, and also along the trim, this is genuine layered wood. Hey friends, we are in the 2019 Mazda CX-5 Diesel. I'm gonna test out the 168 horsepower turbo diesel engine along with that 290 pound-feet of torque. Let's see how quiet this motor is and let's see how fast this thing picks up. For being how heavy this car is, it should have great pickup. Acceleration. And just expected, great pickup for being how heavy this car is. This car weighs between 3,500 to 3,800 pounds, depending on the options that you're gonna add on here. Other than that, this car handles just as well as its sibling gasoline motor CX-5. Nothing changes at all. Of course, motor is different. You have to make sure you're pumping diesel instead of gasoline. Benefit of your diesel motor is that you get better mileage. Standard in all of your Mazda CX-5, you have the Eye Active Sense that uses the cameras around the car, also the radars to make sure you stay in lanes, and of course all the safety features and protection for you while you drive. A cool thing about this car is that one of the options you have is the heads-up display, the HUD. With your CX-5, you have a standard 7-inch touchscreen display. Of course, it has really fast, quick reaction up here. But if you don't want to use that display, down here you find your center dial that you can control directly. Of course, turn it left and right to select. Press it down to, of course, input that selection. Quick menu, quick button for your music, quick button for your navigation, and also your home selection. All right, folks, to wrap this up, the huge difference between the CX-5 Diesel and the CX-5 gasoline motor is the diesel. Everything else is the same inside. You have your standard options and packages you can add on. If you want great mileage, a turbo engine, you have an option of going diesel. Of course, you can only select it through the signature trim through Mazda. That is it, folks. We are done with our hands-on preview of the 2019 Mazda CX-5. My recommendation, come down to one of our 4 locations. We got Oak Tree Mazda in Stevens Creek, Capital Mazda, Team Vallejo Mazda, and of course Concord Mazda. This is your 2019 Mazda CX-5 Diesel. Test it out. It's turbo motor. You will love this thing.